Stuck with the Image Resource Library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. To start the walkthrough for Image Resource Library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Image Resource Library, the primary localized repository for Windows system icons and high-resolution resources. It houses visual assets for the desktop and dialog boxes. Corruption results in generic white page icons across the entire Windows shell. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Because Image Resource Library DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check, open command prompt with administrative rights, and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing Image Resource Library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/R, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. A professional word of caution. Many domains offering standalone Image Resource Library DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing Image Resource Library. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Image Resource Library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.